दोनों अलग अलग होते हैं।
Just then.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hi viewers, welcome to Screen Guru. I am Aditi and today we are going to be learning about another topic in intermediate grammar. Types of non-finite verbs. Last time we talked about verbs, we saw there are two types which are finite and non-finite. Today we are going to see the three types of non-finite verbs. Now, just for the sake of revision, non-finite verbs are not the main action in a sentence. So naturally, they do not change according to the tense or the gender or the number. The three types of non-finite verbs are gerunds, participles, and infinitives. Let us have a look at them one by one. Gerunds are those verbs that end in ing, but they act as a noun in a sentence. For example, watching action movies is difficult for me. I am interested in knowing you better. Do you mind giving me the last slice of pizza? I hate doing homework. I like snacking at midnight. Except for the second last sentence, all other sentences have the bold words which are gerunds. In the second last sentence, doing is the gerund, and in all sentences, the words that are in italic, they are the main verb. Now, what do I mean by that? Watching action movies is difficult for me. Some action is difficult for me. So, the subject is watching movies and is difficult is the verb of the sentence. Then, I am interested in knowing you better. Interested. I am interested in something. That is the main action that I am doing. Having interest in something. Knowing you better, it acts as the noun. Do you mind giving me something? Giving is the gerund. And do you mind? Minding something, not being okay with something. That is the action that someone is doing or someone is not doing. I hate doing homework. I hate doing something. Doing is the gerund. Please excuse me, homework is not the gerund. I hate doing something. So hate is the main action and doing is the gerund here. I like snacking at midnight. I am liking something. That is the main action that I am doing. So like is the main verb and snacking is the gerund. Here, if you want to experiment with it, you can try changing the tense of the sentence. You can try making it plural. But the non-finite verbs, that is all the gerunds, will remain the same. Let us move ahead. Participles are verbs that end in D or ed or ing and they act as an adjective in a sentence. Now, adjective is something that describes a noun. Let us see the examples. I was bored at the movie. Now, even if bore is actually a verb, here it is describing me. I was bored. I felt relaxed in that ambience. Relaxed. Relax is also a verb, but now in this sentence that it is a participle, it is acting as an adjective to describe what I felt. My siblings are very annoying. I would rather miss a class as it is embarrassing to enter late. The long day has tired me. All the words that are in bold in that particular sentence, they are the participle, like bold, relaxed, annoying, embarrassing, tired. And the words which are in italic, like was, felt, are, is, miss, and has. So these, the words in italic, they are the main verbs. Here also you can experiment with it. You can try changing the tense or the number or the gender of the noun in the sentence, but the participles will remain the same. Let us move ahead. Infinitives are the most easy to identify, but they are very confusing at the same time. Infinitives are to plus base form of a verb, and they tell us why a particular action is done or the purpose of a whole particular action. I like to write with a pencil. I want to cook for the sacred occasion. You have to eat all your vegetables. We need to exercise regularly. The dog wants to go to the dog park. Here, you have to tell me what are the main actions in the examples of these infinitives so that I know if you have gotten the concept clearly or not. And that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was insightful for you. If you have any doubts, any queries for me, please let me know in the comments below. And if you find it helpful, please share it with someone else who also might benefit from it. Thank you.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए। करो फिर, हमारी पावर है, जब तक हम कह रहे थे करो करो करो